Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home. Since our floor is mostly tile, we've really come to love the wet, dry, upright vacuums. So we're really excited to test this Roborock F25 Ace Pro. And Roborock sent us this for the review. The F25 Ace Pro comes in a good-sized box and is easy to unpack and set up. It comes with a charging and washing base that offers high-temperature self-cleaning and drying, so you can always keep the roller fresh and ready for the next mopping. Okay, so it's important to put some water and some cleaning fluid into the F25 Ace. And they've got these little flip tops here. This is where you put the soap, and this is where you put the water. I could fill the soap right now, but it's much easier if I just take this off entirely. Okay, so now I can just flip this little tab up here. Okay, close that up. Now flip it to the other side and I can put in the soap. Put it down here. This is where the soap goes. Okay, and now I'm just going to fill it up. This is the foaming cleaner. It's made by Roborock. It's plant-based. So it's supposed to be good for your kids and pets. Okay, it's all filled up, so let's put it back. Then you have to make sure you snap it in. So the F25 Ace holds a full liter of water in its tank, so it's pretty heavy. It's about 13.6 pounds. It's a lot easier to roll it around than it is to pick it up. The Ace Pro has 4 settings: Auto, Max, Eco, and Sponge. They estimate that the battery will run for up to 60 minutes in Eco mode. We like Auto mode, which adapts to most conditions. Now when you're cleaning under the baseboards, it works if you have it parallel, but if you try to go in, it hits. So keep this in mind when you're cleaning your floor. Here in the laundry room, it really gets stuck. It gets stuck under this baseboard.
Please check if the cleaner head is jammed.
So you really need to be parallel, and it's a little harder when you're in a tight space like this. We put the Ace to the test in a couple of different areas. We have an indoor garden that tends to drop plant matter here in our breakfast nook, and it's something the robot vacuums tend to miss. The Ace did a great job sucking it all up, thanks to its 25,000 pascals of suction. When you empty the tank, it includes a filter that separates the wet and dry debris for easy cleaning. We've got some wet and dry messes here, so put down some cocoa powder over here, and then in this other tile I have some soy sauce. So let's see how it does. All right, let's get the cocoa powder. Did a pretty good job on that. So now let's try the soy sauce. All right, so another really cool feature about this is it's got this jet foaming sprayer. So let's try it out. It actually did a really great job on both those wet and dry messes. Okay, so we cleaned up that chocolate and soy sauce, and now the roll is really dirty. You can see it. You can kind of smell it too. So I'm going to put it on the self-cleaning base, and we'll get that taken care of. And just lift it up, put it here on the base, and make sure that you...
Charging started. Please start self-cleaning.
So once you put it on the base, make sure that it's on correctly. And then to start the self-cleaning, you just push this button right here.
Self-cleaning is starting, followed by quiet drying. Cleaning the dirty water pathway.
All right, so now it's cleaning it up. And it cleans it with a really nice high temperature, so it'll get it nice and clean.
Self-cleaning completed. Drying is starting. Please empty and clean the dirty tanks to prevent odors.
All right, so let's take out the tank and clean it out. Look at this water, it's really gross. The F25 Ace Pro has a remote control feature that allows you to drive it under hard-to-reach areas using the Roborock app. All right, so I want to get under the table, so I'm going to turn on the remote control mode in the app. Just select remote control mode. Tell them that it's laid flat. It's activating. To move the vacuum, you use a joystick. It started out okay. It went straight under the table. But you'll notice that when I tried to bring it back, it was slow to respond. Then when I tried to steer, it wasn't very responsive to the controls in the app. We also tried to use it under this ottoman. The machine is supposed to have 4.9 inches of clearance when laid flat, which we thought would work, but as it turns out it got stuck on the saggy fabric in the middle and we had to pull it out manually. If you do plan to use the remote feature, it's important that you keep it in sight at all times. You won't be sending the Ace around your house unsupervised. So you don't really need to use an app to use the Ace Pro, but you can use it to customize some of the features. So let me show you how it works. After you've got it paired up, you just click enter and it'll show you the status. Right, you can see right now it's charging and it's drying the mop after that cleaning we did. So if you click here to drying mode, you can change it. And right now it's set up to auto dry after self-cleaning. The self-cleaning, you can set it up so it will do it automatically when you put the mop on the base. And you can set the different modes, whether you want the water to be high or room temperature and what kind of intensity you want, if you want to figure it out, or if you want it to be just a standard, or if you want to do a deep clean every single time. And then you can also change the different modes, the auto, max, eco, and sponge. And if you see the arrows here, you can customize these. So with the auto, you can change the suction power, and you can hear it verbally show that that changed. Max, the settings are there, you can't change them. Same with eco. And sponge, this is good for wet stains. You can change the suction power here too. And here's also where you can adjust the wheel assist force if you need a little bit more help. You can make it strong, or you can make it mild. Okay, so that is the Roborock F25 Ace Pro Wet Dry Vacuum. As you can see, it did a great job on the wet and dry messes, but remote control, not so sure it's ready for that yet. Thank you for watching.